Rather them than me, John. It's only about 8 or 9 degrees, I can confirm at the moment, but there's something for everyone over the weekend, swimmers and non-swimmers alike. We start wet and we start windy. Here's the satellite picture. Look at the UK first of all. That's the area of cloud that's bringing rain into eastern areas. This curl of cloud is going to bring some rain tonight and through tomorrow as well, all due to an area of low pressure. That's going to be the dominant player over the next few days. It eases its way towards the UK. It's going to sit around for a time, keeping it very unsettled. As it tends to drift its way eastwards, we'll start to draw in a cold northerly wind. So a taste of winter for the northern hills of Scotland in particular. And then that eases away, a weak ridge of high pressure returns, and then that gets toppled into by those weather fronts across the north, but we keep fine weather towards the south. There's a risk of frost over the next night or two, but generally speaking it's mild. It gets colder though as that drier weather moves in and that northerly wind, and by the end of the week the cold air is restricted towards the south. Now it feels quite chilly today, but it's also pretty wet. We've seen over an inch of rain in places, and it's still there across eastern parts of the UK. It's struggling to clear away. Brighter skies are following on behind, but also showers, and really nasty ones heading in towards the southwest at the moment. So we should eventually see the back of that rain across the eastern coast of England. It's going to be mid-afternoon before it clears away, not really promising much sunshine at all. Brighter elsewhere though, but with those showers and towards the southwest, they are going to be heavy and possibly thundery. Temperatures here could be around 10 degrees. But it's going to feel colder in that wind. And the wind's going to pick up more so overnight. It's also going to blow in more wet weather. Rain is going to ease its way northwards and eastwards overnight. We could see the numbers of flood warnings beginning to rise. It's going to stay dry for much of the night though across Scotland, and particularly in the north. We're looking at a frost and some icy patches. Could be quite chilly for a time across northern England and Northern Ireland before the rain arrives. The rain continues to work its way northwards and eastwards during Monday, lingering across northern Scotland all day, struggling to clear away from East Anglia in the southeast. Elsewhere though, we should eventually see brighter skies with some sunshine and a few showers wandering across from the west, but it's going to be quite windy. Tuesday is a bit of a messy day really. We've got clouds, showers or longer spells of rain. We're also starting to see the colder wind really picking up across the northwest of Scotland. It's messy on Tuesday because we've got this area of low pressure with us. As it drifts its way eastwards though, it allows this weather front to follow it, taking the wetter weather towards the east coast, allowing us to draw in that cold, strong northerly wind. So it's going to start to turn wintry, particularly over the hills of Scotland, something to watch out for. Also pretty wet across the eastern side of the UK. It's drier and brighter towards the west. There'll be some sunshine, but also a few showers, and that keen wind making it feel